complete peace of mind, Birkdale Excelsior roller doors are fitted with a full door monitoring system. Unlike simple edge or beam detectors, our system constantly checks all moving parts to spot changes in the door's operation and any obstructions. This system has a 5-year warranty and is available as an option on the Classic door. Other standard features on the Excelsior include a full box enclosure, an alarm and a wireless keypad. So if you're now considering a roller door for your garage, make sure it's one of Birkdale's Classic or Excelsior roller doors.